Hey, this will be a video chart on ticker symbol FNMA. We will take a look at the 60-minute time frame. Did this one a few days ago, and we looked at the 5-minute chart during that one just because it was during a very hectic day, so that just made the most sense at that time to kind of break down the technical aspect of things. Now that we've had some more data and some more time has passed since the volume really kicked in, we're going to take a look at an hourly chart. And I think it does a pretty good job of just kind of showing where the chart is and then what we want to see continue happen next week. So first things first, these green lines that you see were from the previous time that I did the video, and these ones here still pertain, but they just confuse things at this point, so I'm just going to get rid of them. But this line here is what I drew, and this simply comes from this candle here where, and let me take a step back and note, if you're not familiar with charts, 60-minute chart, all that means is instead of each one of these bars representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one just represents 60 minutes of action. So this bar right here, 1 hour of price action, this bar 1 hour, so on and so forth. So during this hour here, you can see that's where the price dropped all the way down and hit 55 cents. So that was an important level of support. And then you can see here the price came down there, went as low as 51 cents. So a pretty darn good job of forecasting where this bounce spot was going to be within 4 cents. Not too bad, especially when you're on, talking about a stock that's trading above 50 cents. Obviously, if it's a nickel stock, being within 4 cents isn't so good. But when we're up, above 50 cents, being within a nickel is respectable. So you can see price came down here, found some support, consolidated a little bit more about this, and then slowly made its way up, kind of went into a ninja mode right here for about 3 hours straight. And then right here, kind of the top blew off and it started to make a move again. So a nice move there, definitely from the bull. So a new level of support, and one that keep an eye on is going to be right here at 61 cents. You can see just all the price history right around here was a previous low right there, and then just lots of price history right around that area. So that'll be one level of support that ideally you want to see the price continue to hold above going forward. And then another one, and I'm going to call this one more of the ideal level, is going to be right around here, basically where the price bounced this last hour. There we go, which was right around the 66 cent level. It acted as a resistance over here a little bit, so that makes sense. So those are going to be the two kind of newest levels of support to keep an eye on. But at the end of the day, 55 cents down here is going to be the key level that you're going to want to see the bulls maintain above, like they did right here. Perfect example there. In terms of resistance levels, pretty straightforward. We have this purple line here, which is the 50-period simple moving average. That's up there at 78 cents. So that'll be the initial level of resistance, and with a break above that, the skies kind of open up and really begin to thin out, as the next level of resistance isn't going to be up until right around 86, 87, and you can see all the price history right up around this area. Could be a little bit more, could be a little less, but point being, after that break above the 50 period, like I said, the floodgates open up in a sense, and there could be another nice big move like the charts had in the past. But overall, nice way to end the week. And on that note, tomorrow is Good Friday, so the markets are closed, in case you didn't know that. So the week is over, so it'll be interesting to see what transpires going into next week. If there are any other questions on the chart, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to check out our newsletter up there. And as you'll see, when you sign up for the newsletter, you'll get a free ebook. If you enjoyed the video and want to learn more about how to use charting in your strategy as a trader and make an investment into your education, I'd encourage you to check out our educational course down there. Over 8.5 hours of video and teaching and getting great third-party reviews, so I'd encourage you to check it out and give it a try. One more time, this was FNMA. Thanks for listening, and enjoy your 3-day weekend.